Hey guys, Ryan back here at Skyway Classics, and today we'll be driving a 66 white Ford Mustang with a beautiful blue interior. Has a nice blue stripe on the outside as well, as you've seen from the photos. This Mustang got good pickup, tight steering. Everything's very responsive. Smooth transmission, tight braking. All the gauges on the dash work. You got your radio. And you're riding in style. There's nothing more that you could ask for. Come check this thing out at Skyway Classics in the Bradenton area, off State Road 64. We'd love to see you here. Beautiful 66 white Ford Mustang. Come check us out. Beautiful ride.